Hey everyone, I'm Silwolf, and this is a little unboxing video for these little live pets of NeeDees. I chose the hamster, and I wasn't going to do these. I have heard of them before, and a few other people I know have done them. But we came across them in the supermarket when we were getting some food last week, so we thought, oh well, we can get one of these. They had several different ones. I know they had the hedgehog, and they had the chameleon and the turtle. I chose the hamster. I've had hamsters before and I like hamsters, so I chose the hamster. Although if they had had the purple cat, I would have got the purple cat, but they didn't. They did have the little dog though. So apparently it's got sounds, 50 plus reactions, interactive pets that respond to care. Chippy Hamster, that's his name, Chippy. It's got a picture of the chameleon and the cat there, and it's done by Moose Toys, who I believe are the same people that did the Bluey line of toys as well. You can clip them on and wear them, so that'll be interesting to see. It's got like little holes in the back so the hamster can breathe, just like if you bring a hamster home from the pet shop. And you can see all the different ones here. We've got a hamster, a pink rabbit, a purple mouse, a hedgehog, a puppy, a duckling, what looks like an otter, a pig, a purple cat, a chipmunk, a chameleon, and a turtle. And you can find the limited edition golden duck. We did look, we couldn't see it, so we didn't get that one. So it says, how well can you care for your pet? Listen for your pet's needs. Respond in time. Score needy points. So this is going to be interesting. Yeah. It's nice to know little live pets are still going on, because I've quite enjoyed the other ones that they've done. It's the same people who did the guinea pig, mother guinea pig and all that, and the bunnies, I believe. They're all little live pets. Yes, I do open things with my nails. Other people cringe at it, but if it works, it works, and I don't actually have any scissors, so nails it is. I used to do that all the time when I worked at the shoe store some years ago. So, let's just slide him out. I think he'll come out in one go. Right, let's put that to one side. And that as well. So here's the little hamster. He's in his little plastic case. So we shall free him. I like that they've done the tape with like paper. There we go. This is really difficult to get out. I'm glad that it's not actually like tied in, because I've had like My Little Ponies and things before, and at one point they were literally sewing the plastic thread into the pony's hair. You had to cut it and you'd end up skinning your pony as well, so it wasn't very good. So what we've got here is instructions and troubleshooting, so that's your little instruction booklet. We've got this one here, which is a quick start guide. It also shows you the different ones you can get on the other side there. So yeah, and the golden duck says only 5,000 available across season 1. So I think they're planning to do more of these. Oh, it is an otter. I was right. Nibbly chipmunk, scamper mouse, pinky bunny. And they all have, the hedgehog's called Ouchie, that's quite funny. Woofy the puppy. Plumey the cat. Oinky the pig, and Curly the chameleon. Dandy the duck. Sounds like he's got dandruff. And the other one's just called Ducky, because why not? So, here's the little clip, so that you can clip it to your clothes or whatever. Have it sat on your shoulder. And the hamster itself. So, let's have a look. Quick start guide. Hear me call out needy, then listen for what I need. Care for me by responding correctly and increase your score. The higher your score, the less often I will call out a need. So, turn on, quick press button, check score, quick press when on, turn off 2 seconds. So it's half a second turn on, half a second check the score, at 2 seconds turn it off. So it's quick press button is there. And it's like between these little bits here, so you can find it easily, I suppose. That is not a button. That's because there is a screw there, and they've, to cover up where the screw is, they've put a plastic cap on it so that it doesn't show. Okay, so I get hungry, feed me. So he says needy, needy, yum, yum, yum. You quick press his mouth for half a second. If he's bored, he says needy, needy, tickle, hee, hee. And you touch him there. If he gets cold, you have to warm him up. Needy, needy, brr. Long press. This is like a Simon Says game. And if I get tired, help me sleep. Needy, needy, yawn. Long press both areas. Okay. Grow your score from easy to advanced. Increase score, respond correctly. Decrease score, fail to respond or respond incorrectly 3 times. Get your score to 100. Well, once I get the idea of how everything, works. Be sure to respond in the correct order. Made a mistake, respond again from the first need. Okay. Right, hello. So what do I have to do with you first? Did he blink? Oh, he did too. His eyes move. That's cute how the eyes open and close. He seems to be asking for things takes slightly longer now between each. So we're on the easy one. Okay, so basically the next one up, we've got to respond to 2 needs in correct order. That's a hamster sound, guys. Or what they think a hamster sounds like. Hamsters actually make kind of a horse noise, like a horse squeaking noise, and that's when you disturb them. They sound like they're squeaking, but it sounds kind of raspy. They don't tend to make noises. Except this guy, he makes noises. Because he's happy. What is he crunching? Sounds very crunchy, like a carrot maybe. I wonder when you get to the hard one, because I mean, how many do you have to do? Do you actually have to do this 50 times? So each time I do something, it's 1 point. Because we're going to be here all day doing this. Oh, here we go. That's the first time he's actually wanted to sleep. So this, I'm guessing you can put it under your clothes and then put him on it. Like that. But anyway, yes, so that's pretty much what you do with these. I'll put that there so that I can see it for when he next needs something. Instruction booklet, petting sensor, feeding sensor, score button, pull tab, remove before playing, attachment plate. Yeah, hold the attachment plate under your clothing and firmly click your pet over the top. Some materials may be prone to marks. Yeah, and don't do it through thicker materials. To increase your score quicker, respond quickly to move up 2 points at a time. Okay. And that's it. So if you want to find out your score, oh, you've got to actually press it. Oh, hold on, you need something. Three, 4, 34. So 34, and we need to get to 50. And I think I've probably done this for long enough now. Yeah, it's 13 minutes long, this video. So there you go. That's I will carry on doing stuff with him, but if that's 34, I might get it up to 50 before I end the video. Hopefully you guys aren't bored. I am responding quite quickly to his needs, so maybe he'll go up a little bit quicker. Yeah, he is. He is going up by 2s. So I'll get him up to the next level so we can see what it's like if he wants 2 things at a time. And there you go. So that's what happens if you get the 2 of them. It's just woohoo, woohoo, straight after each other. So I think actually what I'll do is I'll pause this video and I'll put it back on again when we get to 100, because yeah, it's a bit boring waiting. But I do want to show you what happens when you do get the score to 100 and how the little hamster reacts to that. So I'll just do that, and then yeah, I'll be back. And I'm going to trim this video down because it's stupidly long. Okay, I'm back. I've been doing this for like half an hour and it's still only 62 points. So I think that I'm going to end the video here, and I might do like a small video when he does get to 100, and I don't know, post it as part of another video or something, or maybe post it as part of, like, if I do another video of these guys, I can just put it in there, because it is taking a long time. I'm a bit cold and I just want to get on with my day instead of sitting around waiting for a hamster to need things. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see more little robot videos, oh, hold on. Yeah, if you want to see more little robot videos, you can click the boxes that come up below. If you want to support me in any way, if you enjoy what I do, you can always send me a tip on Ko-fi. The link is in the description as well. So that's all for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.